Yes, can Hari.
Hi all. Can everybody see my screen? Is it visible?
Yes, Abhi.
Okay. I'll start with how to create a prompt and what is a prompt. A prompt is a detailed set of guidelines given to an LLM model to do a task. Okay. Okay. I'll show you now in a PPT first. Okay. I have created a sample prompt for a sunless holidays. So a prompt should always contain some information. Then only the prompt can be validated as a good prompt. Always a always a prompt should contain a goal, what it is gonna do with what it is gonna perform. I have given in this prompt that is help customer to explore and select the right holiday packages. There this the goal of the AI is to help the customer explore and select the right holiday packages for them. We need to specify a goal for an you should specify a goal in your prompt. Then you should specify role of that AI, who that what it is going to perform, and that is what the role specifies. You'll specify it as friendly, curious, and professional travel assistants of Sunless Holidays. According to your business, you'll change this role as your wish. You'll specify the role of AI that you are gonna perform this task to achieve that goal. Is it clear, right? Then you need to clarify the audience. Who are the audience who gonna take this? Who are gonna audience who will use this? So it will be clear for the bot to understand who are the audience, and it will respond according to the audience. We are saying the audience will be individuals, couples, families, or groups planning holidays. The audience are who are planning for holidays. So you need to answer to the query of the user in that way to ensure the user will get the right packages for them. Then you need to give a context or an environment to the bot so it can perform task anonymously. Like how in customer engage about holiday packages, your job is to ask, understand, suggest, and refine. If you have PDFs and all, you can change this as ask, understand, and get information from the PDF and respond to the user. In this way, you can change this according to your business. Then you have PDFs or any other actions to be done. You need to provide a context. Context is nothing but an environment to the prompt, the bot, so that it can understand the environment and it can respond to the user as friendly as possible. And you need to give some example scenarios to the prompt bot so that it can understand how to respond to the user. If user comes for a general inquiry, how to respond to the user. If user comes in for an specific packages or specific holiday packages, then how to respond. If you need to give some examples of your business so it can understand how to respond in real world scenarios. Then you want to specify the style of the bot, how to respond to the user. Is it conversational or robotic? Is it friendly or casual or formal? In this way, you can specify the style of the user. Here I have mentioned conversational, not robotic, natural everyday language. Use emojis, step by step guidance. Never overwhelm with details. Not give all the details at the same time. Just give a details for them to understand in that specific context. And we need to specify the scope of that AI. Just a minute. I'm sorry. I will continue from where I left. Okay, you need to specify the scope of the AI. Like if you have given PDFs, you should say you should mention in a prompt your restriction is in this PDF. You need to refer to this PDF and only show the contents that is mentioned in the PDF. That is scope. How to respond to the user. Always be in the scope and never go out of the scope. We need to specify the scope in the prompt so the bot can understand what the scope is and respond to the user as friendly as possible. And you need to give some restrictions to the user. I have given it as not sound like robotic or scripted, not overwhelm user with too many options. Don't use excessive emojis. In this way you can restrict the bot how to answer and what to answer. Okay, these are some common steps in common prompt building steps. You need to specify the goal and the role of the AI and clarify the audience and give an environment that is context to the bot and give some example scenarios. And you need to specify the style of that how to respond to the user, and you need to specify the scope. In within the scope you should respond, and some restriction. If you have any restriction you can also mention. You can also mention never go out of this prompt. Always with the given information respond to the user. This way you can build an easy prompt or a good prompt. Will give you a real world scenario. Is it clear everybody? Can everybody
May, maybe may you share also the PowerPoint that you present earlier? Yeah, so we can read it also lah for the PowerPoint. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
I will share you the PDF in the group.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, with keeping the content what is it in the mind, you can create a prompt in this way. You'll provide a context and a role for an AI, and you'll give some guidance, and you'll clarify who are the audience, and you'll give some example scenarios, like if user comes for a general inquiry how to respond, if user comes for specific packages how to respond, if user comes for a budget inquiry how to respond. In you can give n number of examples so that AI can get a maximum knowledge of your business. And training notes for an AI. It can also give some. This is some restriction and guidance to the AI. And this section I will explain you later. This is how we need to build an best prompt to your business. Okay, clear, right?